Hello, this is Ask Michael Show, where you ask your productivity questions and I answer them. Let's go. So there was a question on Twitter, why I'm writing a book, 10 Steps to Ultimate Productivity, and when there are other productivity books available, and they're fantastic books, like from Stephen Covey, from, of course, David Allen, and from other authors. Well, the thing is that when I started Nozbe, I knew that it's not only about the tool, but it's about the inspiration. It's about helping people stay on top of things, getting them inspired, and getting them, helping them along the way, because getting organized is a process. And the 10 Steps book grew from my 10 Steps video course, and you can still get it for free on the internet. But I wanted to have a book which is just short, simple. It's not a big book. You can read it, in one day easily. It's big fonts, so it's really book that you can read very quickly, and you can get back to quickly as well. This way, you have like a guide which is really fun to read. Lots of examples from lots of Nozbe users who contributed to the book. So this way, I have a book that I can give to people that can really get on the productivity bandwagon quickly. Because books like the Getting Things Done, 7 Habits, and books like that, they're tougher to and harder to digest for many people. And I wanted to have some entry level thing, something that will help people get back to productivity and also assist them along the way. And we've already done the Polish version of the book, and it's been a great success. And now we're working on the American version, on the US version. We will ship it to you very quickly. So I hope this will help lots of people also get stuff done. So this is like our investment in all of you to get to productivity faster and maintain your productivity momentum.